Okay, long story short, I always like to add a little music. So, for the past couple of days, I've been trying to get ready for my big trip for about 2 months. Going from northern Michigan, Mount Rushmore, Sturgis, down to Colorado, 3 places in Colorado, out to Flagstaff, Arizona, up to Lake Powell, Arizona, Page, and then when I'm done there, up to Jellystone, Yellowstone, and then back across. Staying a couple days at each spot, you know, 3, 4, whatever. I wired in a couple things just recently to improve my camping experience. So I put in a solar panel at the top, 100 watt. I put it on top of my luggage rack. I'm going to spin this around. There's the bottom, and then whoa, there's the top. Hopefully you can see that. So wired it in, ran the wiring on the side underneath the hard shell of the back of the truck right here. Ran it down in, and it's trickling power to my the Cube solar generator, which is this guy here. It's under the cover. I like the Cube because it has got Wagner technology, Super Cube. I can pull out here. I can also pull out there, and then it has another panel that folds out there, and then on the other side. So while I'm camping and the sun is hitting it just right, yes, it will keep it charged up. But when I pull out my tent, it folds it out on that side, so when the sun, of course, goes from the east to the west, or the west to the east, it's not hitting it. I plumbed it last night, and it's working great. It's already popped it up to 12.5 wattage, so it is it's going to work out perfect. I did plumb in also when I drive. So I have an option. When I drive, I can plug in the solar generator, and I can plug in my ARB freezer refrigerator, and it'll keep it running, keep it nice and cool, 41 degrees. I like the outdoor one. It's a great one. As you can see over here, let me see if I can get it. I plumbed it in right there to the truck. So driving keeps it cool. Driving, the solar panel keeps the generator going. When I'm parked, I can either have this running or this. I can do all kinds of options, which is exactly what I wanted to do. Like I said, I have a small portable Ryobi one, electric, so I can just fire that sucker up. Gas pumps electricity wherever I need it. If I need it here, trickle charge, keep up the truck. Yeah, I'm dialed in. All I need to do is buy some food and hit the road. So yeah, just wanted to share that little video with you. Solar panels are definitely a cool way to go. If you can hook up 2 or 3 of them, if you have a bigger RV and stuff like that, would recommend. If you're doing like a tent camping like I am, 1 is plenty, especially if you have a solar generator that has the solar panels right on it. You don't need anything more. Yeah, don't know what else to say except for hit the road. Alright guys, wanted to share that with you. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a note or whatever and ask me how I did this or how I did that, and I will be more than glad to let you know. Alright, see ya!